The wait is over! Samsung has just lifted the lid on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Here's everything you need to know. The rear cameras have had a sleek makeover, with colour-matched metal rings encircling the lenses. The main camera is a new 50-megapixel sensor, paired with a bright f1.8 aperture lens. It's joined by the same ultra-wide camera as last year's Galaxy Z Flip 5, a 12-megapixel f2.2 with a 123-degree field of view. Flip the phone open and you'll find a 10-megapixel f2.2 selfie camera, again the same as last year. Inside, the Z Flip 6 boasts the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, the same as the S24 Ultra that launched earlier this year. It's backed up by 12GB of RAM and your choice of 256 or 512GB of onboard storage. The battery has also received a bump, now 4000 mAh. Charging speeds remain at 25 watts for wired and 15 watts for wireless, but it's still a welcome improvement. While rumours had hinted at the introduction of an expanded outer display, the Flip 6 retains the same 3.4-inch 60Hz AMOLED as last year, signature camera cutout and all. It's a similar story with the main display. Unfold the phone and you'll find a familiar 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen. The good news, however, is that the crease down the middle appears noticeably less prominent this time around. It wouldn't be a 2024 phone without some AI additions, so naturally, Galaxy AI is present here as well. Along with Circle to Search and Chat Assist, the Flip 6 is launching with a nifty live translation feature that we're excited to try out. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 the foldable you've been waiting for? You can pre-order it today with unit shipping from July 24th. The 256GB model starts at £1,049, while the 512GB version will set you back £1,149. Keep your eyes peeled on the Expert Reviews website for our full review, and as always, remember to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest smartphones, laptops, and more.